Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to explore if this popular tools is truly the best speech-to-speech generator. So we're going to dive deep into this Palmpay website. Have you ever wanted a computer to create a voiceover for you? That basically what a Speechelo does. So it's a best to speech tools. This means you type the in words and it read out loud for you. There's a two main type, the standard version and the Speechelo Pro. The Pro version usually have more features. People use Speechelo to make audio for videos, podcasts, and other things. It can speak in 23 languages. You can pay for it once, so there are no monthly fees for the basic plan. Is Speechelo worth it? Well, it has a pros and cons, and there are even an alternative to Speechelo if it's not right for you. So talking about Speechelo benefit, Speechelo comes with a wide range of top benefits. So one of the top benefits is comes with a natural sounding voice, a variety of voice option, about close to 30 voice, including both male and female. It comes with a multiple language. Speechelo works in 23 language, expanding your reach to a global audience. It also comes with a different accent. So if accent is your main priority, it comes with a different accent. It also comes with a useful text editor and a great e-learning and times and cost saving. Now talking about the best features, what makes Speechelo stand out from other text-to-speech tools is packed with cool features and Speechelo designed to give you the best text-to-speech experience. So let's look at some of the things that it can do for you. One of these special features that it can do for you. So one of these special best feature is the AI engine. You have the pronunciation placement and when it comes to the control and customization with about 35 plus language with a voiceover in Spanish, French, and even in Hindi. So it comes with a difference of 30 voice. You can use different voice with different styles to make your audio from text to speech. Now it comes with two different plans. It comes with a monthly plan and a Speechelo lifetime license. So one of these lifetime fees is about $37 to $45 per month. Now it is a one-time payment. So talking about the monthly plan, you just pay about $99 to $25 per month, which comes with a great high quality voiceover and a limited pay once use forever license. So that's it.